Hey everybody, and welcome to another tutorial from It's the Basics. In this tutorial we're going to go through how you set up your Skype account and how to download Skype, and in the follow-up video we're going to go through how to use Skype once you actually have it downloaded and your account set up. So we're going to start off as always by opening up one of our internet browsers. So we're just going to open up Google Chrome, got to go up here to our navigation bar and type in skype.com, S-K-Y-P-E. So it'll go bring us to our Skype overview website. So this is the Skype site. You're going to want to go up here to the top right hand corner where it says join us. If you already have an account, that's you can just sign in up here, but we don't have an account yet, so we're going to go to join us. So on the next page it's going to ask you to enter in your email. So use your email that we already have set up from previous videos. So an example 87 at outlook.com. Then you can either check whether you want to get offers from Skype, or just gotta leave it checked, and hit the I agree and continue. So in this part of it, it brings us to a good news. Skype is part of the Microsoft family. Simply sign in to your Microsoft account. So we can already just sign straight in. So hit the sign in button here, and you just have to put in your password that you use for your actual email. So whatever your email password is, stick it in here, hit enter, and it'll sign into Skype. So just wait a couple of seconds for it to sign in, and you can see up here it tells you who you are. So we're signed in as Anne. There's a sign out option there. Down here it's going to give you details about other stuff such as your account details, how much you've used it. So we're just going to go back up to the top for a second. So you don't need to fill out anything else on this page as such. We're going to go up here to the very top part where it says downloads, because you're actually going to have to download Skype before you can use it. So just click onto the downloads, and you can see here there's different options. So you got your computer download, you got Skype for your mobile, Skype for your tablet, Skype for your TV and other devices. But I'm using a computer, like a laptop, so I'm going to use it for a Windows laptop as well. So it's got a big button here that says get Skype for Windows desktop. We're going to click that in a second. I'll just scroll down and see if it says anything else. There's none much down there, but in here you can see all the stuff that you get with Skype. So you get free Skype to Skype calls, video call and Skype, send messages. So all we have to do is download it. So we're going to click on this one here that says get Skype for Windows. If you don't have Windows, you'll just have to click onto these options here till you find which device you have. So click on that one, and you can see down here it'll give you a step by step. You probably can't see this on my screen, but it'll say down in the bottom corner here your download is being complete. So once it's complete, you just gotta have to click on it, and it'll bring up this screen here. You just gotta have to say yes to allow access, and then it's going to try and install it. So you gotta pick your language, so we're going to stick with English. Then click I agree and next. Install Skype and click the call, hit continue. Hit continue again, and it's going to install. So I'm going to pause the video here for a minute till it's finished installing, and we're going to come back to it. Okay, so once it's installed, you should get an icon put onto your computer, which will look like this here. If you don't, you can find it down here in your start menu. It'll be in here somewhere. So we're going to double click on this and load up Skype. So it might take a second or two the first time you load it up. So if you created a Skype account from scratch, you can click here and you can sign in. But we use the Microsoft account as we already set up an Outlook. I'll probably do another tutorial on setting up a Skype completely from scratch if you have a different kind of email. But because we use the Outlook, we may as well just use the Microsoft account. So if you click on that, you'll bring it up here, and all you have to do is enter in your Outlook account. So again, we'll just put in an example at outlook.com, enter your password, and then click the sign in button. And that's pretty much all you have to do. It'll probably take a couple of seconds to sign in the very first time you try and do it, and you'll get this box. It'll pop up, and this is going to be your sort of control screen for Skype. This is where you're going to be able to sign out of your account, change your profile settings, put your status, your contacts, call people, send messages, etc. So this is all we're going to do for this first video. In the second video we're going to go through how you use this, how you add people, how you send messages, how you're going to video call people. But for now your account is set up, and in the next video we're going to go through the more complicated stuff. So for now, goodbye.